Welcome back to another video. Today I will be teaching you how to enable the Autosave function in Autocad. If this video helped you, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Let's get right into it. First, open Autocad and load any drawing or project you want to work on. You can also create a new drawing if you want to test the Autosave feature. Once your drawing is open, it's important to understand why Autosave is useful. Autosave helps protect your work by automatically saving your progress at regular intervals. This means if AutoCAD crashes, your computer shuts down unexpectedly, or the power goes out, you won't lose all your work. Now move your attention to the command line at the bottom of AutoCAD. Type OP into the command line and press Enter. This command opens the AutoCAD Options window. Inside the Options window, you'll see several tabs across the top. Click on the tab called Open and Save. This section contains settings related to saving files and backup protection. Scroll down until you find the section labeled File Safety Precautions. In this section, look for the option called Automatic Save. Click the checkbox beside Automatic Save to enable the feature. Once enabled, you'll notice a box next to it where you can set the autosave interval. The default setting is usually around 10 minutes, but you can change it to whatever works best for you. If you work on large or important projects, you may want to set the autosave interval to 5 minutes for extra safety. Shorter intervals help reduce the amount of work lost if something unexpected happens. However, if your computer is slower, you might prefer a slightly longer interval to avoid interruptions while working. After choosing your preferred autosave time, move to the bottom of the options window. Click Apply to save the changes without closing the window. Then click OK to confirm everything and close the options menu. Your autosave feature is now enabled, and AutoCAD will automatically save your work at the selected interval. AutoCAD usually stores autosave files in a temporary folder on your computer. These files can help recover your project if the software closes unexpectedly. It's also a good habit to manually save your work regularly by pressing Ctrl+S while working. Combining manual saves with autosave gives you even more protection against losing important designs. This simple setting can save hours of work and frustration, especially when working on detailed projects. Once you get used to using autosave, it becomes one of the most important features inside AutoCAD. That's it. You've successfully enabled the autosave function in AutoCAD and protected your work from unexpected crashes or shutdowns. If I helped you in this video, consider subscribing and leaving a like, as that helps me make more videos.